brothers and I have been building in Chatham for since '75, custom homes. And we did a project down on the beach and were introduced to Patrick and Taya and liked them right off the bat, and they did this kitchen. Every part of this kitchen, it's handmade. It's not like factory cabinets. It's like furniture they make it. And that's a big deal for us because, you know, we've been carpenters our whole life, so. This kind of stuff, you know, with the nickel gap, it's all custom and very creative. Here's another example you get with a Dolan kitchen. If this was a factory kitchen, you'd have 3 boxes instead of having this one face frame, and it's beautiful. It's a piece of furniture. It's not cabinetry. Then we got the little wine cubbies and little drawers. Long leaf pine countertop. I'm very creative myself, and Patrick and Taya were very open to my ideas, and they contributed a lot with their ideas, and we had a blast doing it, and I would highly recommend them. It was a fun project working with them.